Hi, I am Maria. You are watching Golden News Channel. Today, the 24th of August 2020. Now headlines. United States. The latest incident of police shooting unarmed black man. The United States is facing 2 hurricanes this week. Christchurch tragedy. Prosecution of accused begins. Arab gas pipeline blown up in Syria. Heavy rains kill 5 in Turkey, many missing. New wave of corona in France, 4,900 new case reports. Get rid of acne with green tea. Now details of headlines. You are watching Golden News Channel. Please share this video and subscribe our channel. United States. The latest incident of police shooting unarmed black man. A police officer in the state of Wisconsin has shot dead a black man at close range 7 times in the United States. Violent protests erupted in Wisconsin after the incident. In the video that surfaced on social media, it can be seen that the policeman grabbed the first t-shirt of the black man Jacob Blake sitting in the car from behind and then shot him 7 times at close range. Police say he was called in for a domestic dispute, but the motive for the shooting is unknown. According to sources, the condition of Jacob Blake, who is undergoing treatment in the hospital, is critical. The United States is facing 2 hurricanes this week. The Gulf of Mexico states in the United States are facing 2 hurricanes this week. Hurricane Marco will hit Louisiana today and Hurricane Laura will hit the U.S. coast on Wednesday. The U.S. Gulf Coast includes the states of Alabama, Louisiana, Mississippi and Texas, where Hurricane Marco is blowing at speeds of up to 120 km per hour. Hurricane Laura has devastated Haiti and the Dominican Republic, flooding many areas in both countries and forcing people to evacuate. According to sources, Hurricane Laura has killed 12 people in Haiti and the Dominican Republic. Christchurch tragedy. Prosecution of accused begins. Proceedings have begun to determine the culprit of the Christchurch tragedy. According to the news agency, strict security arrangements have been made to bring the Australian citizen involved in the attack on mosques to court, while live reporting has also been banned. The white man accused of attacking the Right Church will be sentenced this week. On the other hand, the prosecutor said that the purpose of the accused was to cause maximum loss of life and to create fear among the Muslims. Arab gas pipeline blown up in Syria. The Arab gas pipeline in Syria was destroyed by an explosion, which caused complete darkness in Syria and cut off power supply to the whole country. Syria's state news agency quoted the minister as saying that an explosion had taken place in a pipeline in the Damascus area last night, cutting off power supplies across the country. According to officials, power supply from some power stations has been restored, while power supply to the provinces will be gradually restored. A government minister has raised the possibility that the blast may have been caused by a terrorist act. Heavy rains kill 5 in Turkey, many missing. 5 people have been killed and several others are missing in various accidents caused by heavy rains and floods in the Turkish province of Grayson. Heavy rains in Grayson's Durli district have caused residential buildings to collapse, dozens of vehicles to be swept away in mudslides, and roads to be damaged. Turkish officials say there has been more than 1.5 times more rain in Grayson this month than usual, while relief operations and rehabilitation work are underway in the affected area. New wave of corona in France, 4,900 new case reports. The new wave of corona in France has alarmed everyone, with nearly 4,900 cases reported in the first 24 hours since May. Cases have also increased in Italy and Germany, while 1,041 new cases have been reported in the UK. Get rid of acne with green tea. According to experts, in addition to solving the problems of cholesterol and diabetes, green tea can also solve many skin problems. The problem of people with oily skin increases during the monsoon season. The skin prone to acne worsens during the monsoon season and the acne becomes bigger and thicker, the spots on the skin after the acne. Green tea can be used to get rid of. Green tea has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Use green tea as a skin toner to eliminate acne and clean up blemishes. Using green tea gives the desired results late but lasting. It is a condition to use green tea twice a day continuously for a month to clean the spots. Thanks for watching Golden News Channel. Please subscribe our channel and share this video. Have a nice day. Goodbye.